Hey, this is Ryan, and I'm the content creator for East to West, West to East, both the YouTube and the Instagram page, and I'd like to welcome you back to Parts Talk for the upcoming build of the 2018 Barcelona Red SR5. Last time we talked about the suspension that's going to replace the OEM suspension that is currently in the truck, and now we're going to talk about a little bit of armor that's going to be installed on the truck. The armor that we're going to be putting on, specifically starting with the front bumper, is the slimline high clearance bumper from Southern Style Off-Road. I personally have had one of these on my Tacomas before, on my 2017 Toyota Tacoma Build, which if you follow the Instagram page, you probably watched the installation process. It had this identical bumper, minus the fact that this time we went with universal winch holes, and we went with a larger light bar. The last time it came out great. I love the style, I love the protection, the height of the bull bar was perfect. This time we decided to change it up just slightly, and we're also going to add the Stage 2 high clearance kit once that shows up. But right now we have the main portion of the front bumper, and we're going to go into a little bit of detail on how this thing goes together. Thanks. Starting from the back, it bolts directly into the portion that is removed once you take off the aluminum crash bar that's underneath the stock front bumper. Once you remove that plastic piece, you'll see the aluminum bar. It's 3 bolts, and those go directly onto the mounts that are actually there, and then you just put the new nuts on to tighten it up. Super easy install. And then there's 4 bolts for the installation of the winch, which I'm going to be going with a Smitty built X20. I'm probably going to be going with synthetic rope this time. I went with steel cable last time. I did like it. I just want the versatility of the rope this time around versus the steel cable from last time. Let's flip this over and take a look at the front. As you can see on the front, there's 2 spots to mount shackles, and then we have the universal winch holes, which I spoke about earlier, as a mod that I definitely wanted on the bumper this time around for easier access to the actual bumper. And then above that we have the light bar cutout, which we actually went with the Highs light bar that comes with the kit, which are super bright. I also had one of these on my last truck, but I went with the smaller edition. This is the full size one, which I'm super pumped about getting installed onto the truck. And lastly, it comes with the hardware and everything to mount it up. And I really enjoy the fact that it actually comes with this accent pieces that look exactly the same texture, but these are actually made out of like a hard plastic rubber. And this is actually what you can go around the plastic that you cut on the bumper to make it just look uniform and like it's actually supposed to be installed on the truck. Gives it a super clean look and finishes out the build to make it look super professional, even if you're not doing it in a professional shop. Alright, thank you for checking out the channel. Again, this was just a short, quick briefing of another component that's going to be going into the Barcelona Red 2018 SR5 Tacoma build. I'm excited to get these parts onto the truck, as I said in the last video. There'll be a few more in this series of just parts that will be going on. We'll start getting some installs as soon as we get the space and the availability to do so. But if you like this video, feel free to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what else you guys want to see. Appreciate it. Thank you.